Good morning and welcome to a new episode of Has's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make the famous chocolate biscuit. I've had a lot of requests from my community, and at the end of the video there's also a testing phase of my friends in the Schönwetterfahrer, or the nice weather skiing club, who makes a test if this is all acceptable or not. From Denmark, we got lots of chocolate, 70%, the normal dark chocolate. We got a lot of sugar. We got egg white. And we got butter, lots of butter. So after that, you take a spoon and you kind of form it to a real biscuit. And this is nice, you put it like that, see? One. I'm done with the first batch. Those go into the refrigerator right now. And as you can see, it's quite a messy thing, and it will get worse. I'm not done yet. Well, so now we come to the last moment here, is to make the topping for the chocolate biscuits. In my opinion, should be dark chocolate. And we got to melt all the dark chocolate like we did last time over a hot bath. Put the dark chocolate coating on top of the biscuit. Quite easy. It's a very dirty job. So it's cold now, and I'm dipping them in like this, letting them drip off like this. Okay, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Heute vor dem Skifahren. Before the skiing, I'll do it in English. Please try the chocolate biscuits.
Genau.
And give me your verdict.
Niederknien. Stevie, voll Referenz.
Tell you, it took me 4 hours, guys.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fritz?
Fabuloso.
Fabuloso.
Perfect.
It's a second degustation.
Oh, we've been waiting for this the whole day.
C'est chocolat biscuit.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please put a thumbs up and like on the video, and even better if you can subscribe to the channel